So I welcome back to you school children. So let today be start of something which is new to us. Okay. So first, I know I'm new to you. Am I right? So and you also new to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Total now I have not taken classes for you. So first I'll introduce myself. Just listen it. Then you are going to introduce yourself. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. So I am Sasireka. I am going to handle physics for you. So up to grade 5, you will be studying only EVS subject. Am I right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are skipping to higher. So you are promoted to grade 6. So you will be having physics, chemistry and biology.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I am going to handle physics for you. So,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So now, are you all ready to
Yes, ma'am.
introduce yourself, children? So I'm very good to see your shining faces, sunny faces. Okay, Balaji, switch on your camera, ma. So before introducing yourself, what you are going to do is, you are going to take a bag. Okay, it may be any bag, small bag or your handbag or anything. Okay. So in that bag, you are going to take 4 things or an object that tells about yourself. Okay, children. So for example, if you are, you may be because I don't know anything about yourself. So first you have to say your name. So unga பேர் no. Next, so which grade you are going, that you should say. I am promoted to grade 6 and your places, and if you want to tell anything, you can tell. Okay. So for example, I don't know, you may have a talent of dancing or singing, or it may be anything. So I don't know that. Okay. You can share it with me. So you have to take a bag and fill it with 4 things which you have in your house. So வீட்ல இருக்க 4 பொருள் எடுத்துக்கணும். So it may be a teddy. Ma'am, I am a teddy lover. So I have so many teddy in my home. So like that you can tell. Okay, you may got any prizes. So நீங்க எதையாச்சும் win பண்ணி prize win பண்ணிக்கலாம். That can also you can show it to me. And then you have to share it with your friends. Okay. Yes, Logo Sabri, you can unmute yourself and ask your doubt. Ask me, ma.
Ma'am, no doubt, ma'am.
No doubt. Then why you raise your hands, ma? You want to share introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, I give you time, 2 minutes time. So I'll spotlight you. You have to fill the bag with 4 things which you have it in your home. So take a bag. It may be any bag, handbag or school bag, or it may be anything. No plastic boy. Avoid plastic bags, children. So take that bag. So take out 4 things which you have in your house and just introduce yourself and tell about that things. Okay?
1 second, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes, children. So any doubt for anyone, you can just ask me. Just self-intro. You have to give more information about yourself. Okay?
Ma'am, anything, sir, ma'am.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Ma'am, can I show my prices?
Yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, all of you are ready? Make it fast. Okay. Okay, Loga Sabari, you can admit yourself and start to tell about yourself.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Screen, I didn't show any screen. I have stopped sharing because I want to see you all, no? So I have. So நீங்க யார் வந்து உங்க self
Ma'am, my face also not visible, ma'am.
என்னம்மா சொல்றீங்க எனக்கு கேட்கல.
மேம் ஸ்கிரீனே எல்லா ஸ்கிரீனுமே பிளாக்கா தான் மேம் இருக்கு. என் ஃபேஸ் தெரியுமா மேம்? அது கூட பிளாக்கா இருக்கு மேம்.
பிளாக்கா இருக்கா? why? So but your face is visible to us. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So are you all ready, children?
Ma'am.
They are ready to introduce yourself? Okay, Logasirabdari, you can start.
Please give one more minute, ma'am.
One more. Okay, you can do it. You can take it.
Good morning to all. My name is Loga Sabari. I am from Sivahangai. Mount Idras G School. 6th standard. I am promoted.
Okay, then?
Ma'am, my favorite game is cricket.
Okay, then your face is not visible to us. From where you are coming from? In what all the things you are interested?
Ma'am, I am interested in cricket and skating.
Cricket and skating. Okay. So you have taken something in your bag? Bag la edutringla?
No, ma'am.
Why?
One second.
Okay, that's all about Logasabari. Okay, then. Okay, Danya Sri, are you ready, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give. Okay, you can start.
I am the I have promoted grade 6 in Mount Idras.
Little bit louder, ma. Little bit louder.
Hi, I am Danya Shri from Madurai. I am promoted to grade 6. I am
Okay.
going to show one cover, carry back in that. So this is my certificate. When I study first, I have participated to international mathematics competition.
Okay. So you're good at maths.
This is my drawing competition certificate. I have already studied to a drawing class. So in that I have win this prize.
Okay, you're also good drawer. Okay.
This is my old school certificate. See, when I study third standard.
Okay, okay, fine.
This is my state level drawing competition medal.
Okay, okay, very good, very good. So you can draw well. You have a capacity of drawing well. Am I right, Danya Sri?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
You can draw well. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Danya Sri. Very good. Keep it up. You're from
ma'am.
Madurai.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next, who is ready?
Ma'am, Harish Karthik, I am ready, ma'am.
Harish. Okay, Harish.
My name
name is Harit Karthik. I am studying 6th grade in Mount Litra G School. I am an Mount Litran. I am interested in running and cricket.
So you are interested in sports.
I got this cup in 3rd standard in running.
Okay, dear. Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Anything you want to say about yourself?
Ma'am, I like to attend class regularly.
You want to attend the class regularly. Okay. Very good. Okay. That's all, Harish? Okay, fine. So next. Next, who is ready, Ma? You can unmute yourself. Fast, do it fast. Okay, next. Balaji, I'll unmute you. Balaji.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
My name is Balaji.
Okay.
I study in grade 6.
Okay.
I study in Mount Litra G School.
Okay.
That's all, ma'am.
That's all. So what are the talents you have? You are interested in what?
I interested skating, ma'am.
You are interested in skating. You can scat well. Okay. Okay, Balaji. Thank you. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next, Jai Shivani. On your video, ma. Jai Shivani, Loga Sabari. On your video. Okay, Mithun Vishal.
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Mithun Vishal. Okay, you can introduce yourself.
I like long jump and drawing, ma'am.
So tell your name, ma. Where are you from? Then you can say your interested things. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am,
Sorry, your voice is not audible, ma. Tell me.
ma'am, my name is K. Mithun Vishal, ma'am. Ma'am,
You are from?
I am Tapukola, ma'am.
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Okay, due to network issue. Okay, next I'll go with Nitish. Nitish, unmute yourself and talk, ma.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Nitish.
Ma'am, my name is KK Nitesh.
Okay,
Studying 6th standard. Ma'am,
okay.
I interest game, ma'am.
Which game?
Skating.
Skating, okay then.
Yeah, that's all, ma'am.
That's all. Okay, where are you from?
Ma'am, Sivahangai.
Okay, fine. Okay, next. Yes, Sendil Velan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Sendil Velan.
My name is K. Sendil Vedan. I am
Okay.
from Mount Litran. I am studying 6th standard.
Okay.
I am from Iremelur.
Okay.
I like sports.
You
In
like
sports,
sports.
I like basketball.
So what do you like?
I like basketball, ma'am.
You like basketball. Okay. Any other things you want to share with us?
That's all, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Next, Vibin Joyson.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, introduce yourself, ma.
Good morning to all. I am Vibin Jason from Sivangai. I have completed my 5th grade successfully and now I promoted to 6th grade. Nice
Little
to
bit
meet
louder, Vibin.
Good morning to all. I am Vibin Jason from Sivangai. I have completed my 5th grade successfully and now I promoted to 6th grade. Nice to meet you all, my friends. I like to play guitar and love to play keyboard. I have a younger sister whose name is Renita. She is in grade 3. Thank you.
Super, Vibin. So you can play keyboard.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so on class, I'll ask you to play that. Can you play for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one day we'll plan for that. Okay, very good. Thank you, Vibin, sir.
Thank
Vibin.
you, ma'am.
Okay, I've asked everyone, children. Okay, Sai, Jai Shivani, just you can introduce yourself. Unmute yourself and introduce yourself. Okay, Yogita, unmute yourself, ma. Switch on your camera. Yogita, are you ready, ma? ஜெய் சிவானி, நான் உங்களை வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ண சொல்லவே இல்லைம்மா. நீங்க அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு உங்களை இன்ட்ரோ பண்ணுங்கன்னு தான் நான் சொன்னேன். வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணவே சொல்லலை நான். Yogita, what about yourself, ma?
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me, ma.
my name is Yogita.
Okay.
My father name is Jai Ganesh.
Okay.
My mother name is Nagajodi.
Okay.
My brother name is Mohit Desh.
Okay. So, what is your interest? Okay, fine. Okay, children. So, I think everyone has introduced yourself. So, you all very happy to see your friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but no one except one, no one has done that. So bag எடுத்து உங்களை பத்தி சொல்றதுக்காக நான் thingsலாம் எடுக்க சொன்னேன், but no one has done that. Okay, so next what I'm going to explain is so my suggestions on first day activity. So today what are all the suggestions I want to tell you. So for that you can take a A4 sheet. So please, everyone is having A4 sheet, ma'am. I have told you in the...
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, take out A4 sheet. All of you are having A4 sheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have a pen to write?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
have
ma'am.
it with you. Have it with you. At last, I'll tell you. So, you are going to write in that. Okay? Okay. So, we'll start.
திருப்பி 40 கிளாஸ் ஆரம்பிச்சிரும்.
Okay, first thing what I want to suggest is student scholarship by school management. You all know that our school management is giving scholarship to you all. Who knows that? Is anyone is here?
Yes, ma'am.
Who knows that? Who is ready to? Yes, Logos are ready to all. Yes, ma'am. So what scholarship our school is providing, ma'am?
Ma'am, we take mark scholarship தருவாங்க ma'am.
So what mark? Okay, any other person is ready to tell? Who knows about that? Okay, just I'll explain it, children. So listen it. After finishing it, I'll ask you everything. Okay. So our school management is providing your student scholarship. Okay. So for first, so what is our duty to get your scholarship is you have to get 95% of mark in all the exams. So for example, we are keeping online test 1, 2, 3. So ninga continuous last year class attend pannirningina, you will be knowing this. So periodic test for annual, half-yearly, everything we are keeping. In all the exam, you should get 95% marks. Okay. So with that, finally we'll have an exam. So final or exam in that also you should get 95% of mark. You will get a scholarship from the school management. Okay. So school learning exams you have to get full marks. Sorry, 95% marks. So எல்லா எக்ஸாம்ஸ்லயும் வாங்கி லாஸ்டா வைக்கிற எக்ஸாம்ஸ்லயும் நீங்க வாங்கினா மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் கிடைக்கும். Okay. So for that, what you have to do? You have to attend the online classes regularly. Okay. So நான் ஒரு மாசம் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணுவேன், இன்னொரு மாசம் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேன் அப்படிலாம் இருக்க கூடாது. So because you should get full marks, then only you will get reduction in your fees. Okay. Is this clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And next thing, you should be regular in your work. if your teacher is asking you to make a video, so ungala video panna sonanga you should make it on time and you should complete your homeworks on time. Okay, and the way you behave in the class, it depends upon the internal marks also. So நீங்க perfect இருந்தா மட்டும்தான், so உங்களுக்கு 95% mark வேணும்னா you want internal marks also. So அது ஃபுல்லா கிடைக்கணும்னா கிளாஸ்ல ஒழுங்கா ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும், homework timeல பண்ணி you should make video also. Then only you'll get. This is one category. And next is district level winners. They'll get 25% fees concession. So if you are going for a competition, okay, if you are going for a competition in district level, for it may be a karate or dance or yoga, it may be anything. So you are winning, you will get so 1 minute children, please wait. Karthika ma'am, I'll unmute yourself. Karthika ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait. Our chairman sir will visit your students. My voice is audible, ma'am.
Yes ma'am, your voice is audible.
My voice is audible.
Yes ma'am, your voice is audible. Tell me ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, no ma'am, can you show a school?
Chairman sir want to visit students, ma'am.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Ma'am, only.
Now it is visible.
Sorry, voice is breaking, ma'am.
Now it is visible.
Ma'am, it's breaking here. Tell me, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am. Chairman sir. Okay, so lot of disturbance from voice. Okay, I'll tell you children, just listen it, okay? Children, for others, my voice is clear. Shall I proceed? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
up
ma'am,
to now,
clear.
what did I told you? Nitish, can you tell me? Okay, so if you are winning competition in district level, you can get 25% concession in your fees. Okay, so 25% fees வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு concession ஆகும். Okay, next, state level. If you are going for state level, okay, state level competition, if you are winning, so நீங்க நான் அந்த மாதிரி இப்ப ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்ல போயிட்டு நான் ரன்னிங்ல ஸ்டேட் லெவல்ல வின் பண்ணிருக்கேன். If you have a certificate, you can get a 35% of fees concession. Okay. And next, you are winning competitions in national level. So national level நடந்த competitionsல நீங்க win பண்ணிருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னா you can get 50% concession in your fees. Okay, so if you want this concession, so it should be a aggregated institution of state or central government. சும்மா நான் வந்துட்டு சாதாரண ஃபங்க்ஷன்ல இல்ல ஏதாச்சும் சங்கத்துல வச்சு நடத்தினதுல நான் பிரைஸ் வின் பண்ணிருக்கேன் எனக்கு கன்செஷன் வேணும்னா நோ. Okay, not at all. You should, the competitions is conducted by an institution. It should be an institution aggregated by state or central government. Okay, proper institution வழியா நீங்க போய் நீங்க prize win பண்ணியிருந்தா மட்டும்தான் you can get all those this concession from the school. Okay. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay. So next. So are you clear about the first point, children? What are the scholarship you are getting by the school management? Children, response. நீங்களே unmute பண்ணிட்டு response பண்ணலாம். Yes, ma'am. Okay, fine. So now, next thing. See the next thing. NTSE exams and benefits from states and central government. So is anyone know about NTSE exams? What is that? Is anyone knows that about? Okay. So I tell you the full form of NTSE is National Talent Search Examination. Okay. What is the full form of NTSE? I'll ask you, just listen it, okay? So NTSE is, what is the full form? National Talent Search Examination. Okay. So who will conduct this examination is NCERT. Okay. For grade 10th. So ma'am, appa grade 10th க்கு தானே எடுப்பாங்க. ஏன் ma'am எங்களுக்கு இந்த எக்ஸாம் சொல்றீங்க அப்படினு கேட்கக்கூடாது. Because from 6th is the base. So from 6th itself, you should get trained to write that NTSE exam. Okay. So from 6th to 10th only they will be asking, because 6th is the base, children. So all the thing you should learn it properly. Okay, so in 10th standard, they'll conduct this exam. You should also take effort to perform you well, and it is also your duty to write that exam. We'll help you. So for what you have to write this exam is, they'll award scholarship for the potential candidate for higher educations related to science and social studies. So, உங்களுக்கு higher educations, if you are getting good marks in that exam, they'll provide you a scholarship. Okay. At the 2 stage, you have to write the exam. Stage 1 and stage 2. Okay. So, first one, the stage 1 in the scholarship kaga neenga exam write pananum. So, if you are passed in that, you will be allowed to write the stage 2. Okay, stage 2 exam எழுதணும். In that, if you come up, so seeing your potential, they'll give you these scholarships. So, for example, if you want to learn UG or PG, so or PhD, so based on that, they'll give you scholarship. Okay? Clear, children? Are you clear about N? So, from 6th itself, you should get trained to write the NTSE exam. So it's a National Talent Search Examinations. Is this clear, children?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all listening?
Yes, ma'am.
You all very interested about these things?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, this session is going to end now. Okay, within 1 minute, the session will end now. So next session you are having. So please rejoin. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We want to discuss more thing about scholarships. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So after ending the session, you can rejoin in the next session.
Okay, ma'am.
So join fastly and drink water, children. In between, you can drink more water because it is too hot, no? You can drink more water. And everyone, Danya Sri, switch on your camera. Senthil Velan, switch on your camera. Don't make me to say at every time. Okay? Okay, children. So first point we have discussed about our scholarship which is provided by our school. And next thing we have discussed about the NTSE, that is National Talent Search Examination. Okay. And next what I'm going to tell you about is about the language and skill So I'll share it, just you can watch it. So language and skill development classes for parents. So you all know that our school is conducting spoken English classes for your parents. How many of your parents are joining in that spoken English classes? It's free. It is our school management is providing spoken English class for parents without payment. So how many of your parents are attending that spoken English class? No one parent. So why can't you inform your parents to join that?
Ma'am, my parents are attending.
So Senthil Velan parent is this. What your mother is telling, she's speaking better in English?
Yes, ma'am, she's talking better in English.
Better in English. How do you feel? Your mother is talking in English. How do you feel, ma?
I feel feel nice, ma'am. She's talking English.
She's talking in English. Okay. So she is regularly attending the class. It is very useful for her.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, children, Senthil Velan mother is attending spoken English. So now their parents are talking in English.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you want your parents also to talk in your English. Others, please insist your parent to join. Our school management is providing you freely without payment. Okay, will others will also make your parents to, because நீங்க சொன்னாதானே parents கேட்பாங்க, so you have to tell them. Okay, children. Okay, so if they improve their skill, so if you come to a school with us, you will be talking in English with us. When you are going to home, what you will do? You will feel you will struggle to write the answer in English. So if you are in home also, if you are familiar, your parents is familiar with your English, it will be very easy for you. So வீட்ல இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுறீங்க அப்படின்னா it will develop your skills. Okay, and now we are going to provide a skill development. That is, we are going to improve your technology talent of your parents. So, unga parents ko ella technology you namma solli kuduka porom. Okay, if they know that, they'll improve you in your home. Okay, so language and skill development classes for parents. What we are going to give? We are going to give, we are also developing the parents. Okay, so insist your parent to attend the spoken English class which is conducted by our school. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so next thing I want to tell you is NEET JEE CACS exam coaching classes. So what is that? What is a NEET exam, ma? Is anyone know about NEET exam? In news and in papers, everyone will be telling about NEET. So what is that? What is the full form of NEET? Who knows that? யாருக்குமே தெரியாதா? So have you heard about this exam before? So NEET exam, J exam, C exam, you have heard about that? You can speak out, children. So நீங்களே உங்களை unmute பண்ணிட்டு பேசலாம். So NEET, what is the full form of NEET is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Exam. So this exam we write for learning MBBS. That is, if you want to be a doctor, you have to write NEET exam. So how many of your ambition is becoming a doctor? Doctor எத்தனை பேர் ஆகணும்? Just raise your hands. No one want to be a doctor. Bibin Joyson, very good Bibin Joyson. So why can't you switch on your camera? Okay, fine. So if you want to become a doctor, if you pass out a NEET exam only, you can become a doctor. Okay. So in our school, we are going to give coaching classes in our school from 6th standard itself. So we are going to give you coaching for NEET exam. And JEE, what is that? JEE. So how many of you want to become an engineer? How many want to enter into an engineering field? Just raise your hands.
I became a teacher, ma'am.
Danyas, do you want to become a teacher? Yeah, very good. So many of you are having your ambitions.
Ma'am, Harish Karthik, my ambition is to become a IPS officer.
Super. For that also you are having so many exams. So for all those exams, we are giving coaching class in our school. So its only thing is you have to attend the classes regularly. Okay. Then one minute, children. So for all the exams, we are giving coaching in our school itself. Okay. So next thing.
Okay, ma'am, my voice is audible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is audible, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Children, say good morning to Kartika, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. So all the best for this next academic year, Dharma. So now I am going to entering our chairman's room. Four students. School இருக்காங்க grade 6 sir.
To all.
Good morning, sir. Say good morning to sir, ma, everyone.
Good morning,
Say
sir.
loudly.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Great morning to all. Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So today is your first day of your lovable school. So I am waiting to see you all. கொஞ்சம் சிச்சுவேஷன் சரியான பிறகு எல்லாருமே நம்ம ஸ்கூல்ல நேரம் சந்திக்கலாம். அது வரைக்கும் இது மாதிரியான கிளாஸஸ்ல வந்து ரெகுலரா நம்ம அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ உங்க டீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே உங்களுக்கான நிறைய பெனிஃபிட் சம்பந்தமா சொல்லுவாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நான் அகாடமிக் அண்ட் நான் அகாடமிக் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே நான் வந்து வாட்ச் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கிறேன். ஸோ ஒவ்வொருத்தருடைய பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் என்னோட டேபிள்ல இருக்கு. ஸோ அது வெறும் எழுத்துக்களாக ஒரு நம்பர்ஸா மட்டும் இல்ல, உங்களுடைய ஒவ்வொருத்தருடைய இன்வால்மெண்டான வீடியோஸாவும் என்கிட்ட இருக்கு. ஸோ உங்க எல்லாருக்குமே நான் ஸ்பெஷல் கிஃப்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வாங்கி வச்சிருக்கிறேன். ஸோ ஸ்கூல் ஓபன் பண்ண உடனே ஒவ்வொருத்தரையும் நான் வந்து பாராட்டு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ உங்களுடைய டைரி ரைட்டிங், உங்களுடைய டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் லெவல் அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே நான் நோட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கிறேன். சிலர் வந்து பண்ணலைன்றது பத்தி நான் கவலைப்படல, பண்றவங்களை மட்டும் தான் நான் வந்து பாராட்ட போறேன். ஸோ இந்த சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸ் கட்டாயமா மாறும். இந்த வருஷத்துடைய நம்மளுடைய ஹேஷ்டேக் வந்து என்னன்னா மூவிங் வாரியர்ஸ். ஸோ நம்மளுடைய சிச்சுவேஷன் எந்த சிச்சுவேஷனா இருந்தாலும் நம்ம வின் பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு வாரியர்ஸ் நம்ம டெவலப் பண்ணிக்கணும். Always my blessings and wishes with you all. All the best. So have a great academic year. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your listening.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now our vice principal sir is waiting for you.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, my dear children. I'm very happy to see you all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
I'm really happy to meet you all once again. I'm wishing you a very best academic year ahead. Hope you will achieve a lot of things in this academic year. I'm praying for the Almighty, and this Almighty will shower all the blessings on you and most auspiciously. Thank you, children.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, next I am going to entering our academic director's room. Wait for me, sir. Director. எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு ரூம் தனித்தனியா. Okay, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
How are you all? You all are good?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I am good.
I wish you a very fantastic, fabulous, and a successful academic year. Be a motivated, be polite, be obedient. Okay? Don't watch television too much. Only at the time of classes, you should take mobile. You can read newspaper. Okay? Don't go out in the sunlight. Corona is spreading very fast. Don't move the markets. Obey your parents. Study well. Study well. My blessings and my wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir.
Children, you want to see our school?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is our computer, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Sir, say our children want to visit him, sir. Say good morning, Dharma. Good morning, sir. Sir, Tamilama is there.
வணக்கம் தமிழம்மா. வணக்கம் தமிழம்மா.
வணக்கம் தமிழம்மா. Okay. Okay, children. Next, I am going to enter in our conference hall room. Conference hall. So books are waiting for you. Okay. See your book.
We are very happy to see our school children after a long time.
Okay. This is the conference hall. Okay, so just opposite this is the admin room. So உங்களுக்காக புக்ஸ் எல்லாம் பேக் பண்ணி பேக்ல ரெடியா இருக்கு. Okay. So next I am going. This is our corridor. School ரொம்ப நாள் கழிச்சு பாக்குறீங்க. I think you are very excited.
You all are very eager to come to school. Am I right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, you can see your school after a long time. So, எவ்வளவு நாள் ஆச்சு எல்லாரும் ஸ்கூலுக்கு வந்து? Now few come for
And 2 years.
2 years, 1 year.
And 2 years.
new admission. Okay, so new admission people can see your school.
2 years ago, ma'am.
2 years ago, only 1 year ago, ma. Why you are saying 2 years ago?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, video is not available, ma'am. Okay, fine. So due to network issue, so ma'am cannot show the screen. Let me see. Again, she is joining or not. So you are very happy about the message. What was told by the chairman, sir, our vice principal, sir, and AD, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did they told you? Obey your parents. Don't watch more TV. Concentrate on your studies. And what did chairman sir told? So he is giving you more options for your studies. Okay, so what are all the things you are achieving? He has in his table. So based on this, he is going to give you scholarship. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We are very happy after seeing your staffs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only some of you are responding, others are not saying. Ningle unmute panni pesalam. Okay, so rest of the things I'll share it with you. Please wait. Okay. So what are the points? First point, second point, the third point. Participation of district level to international level competition. So we will help you to achieve, children. So you all people, so this year what you are going to do is, you all are going to participate in n numbers of competitions. Okay. So நிறைய competitionல win பண்ண போறீங்க. If you are participating in a district level, we are going to improve yourself to a international level. Okay. So you can, I'll tell you mygovernment.com. So what is the motto? So what Chairman sir has insisted you is, you should earn money. So you should earn a money 1,000 rupees or you should get a name. So நீ வந்து காசு சம்பாதிக்கிற அளவுக்கு உன்னை வந்து நாங்க we should develop it or you should get a name. உள்ள உனக்கு ஒரு புகழ் சேர்த்திருக்கணும். Okay, so with your cooperation only we can achieve that. So mygovernment.com, for example, I tell you children, mygovernment.com அப்படின்னு ஒரு வெப்சைட் இருக்கு. So in that, so listen carefully, mygovernment.com. So if you enter into this website, they are conducting so many quiz competition. So if you won in that, you will be awarded cash. Okay, you can use it for your studies. Otherwise, for example, you can go for any competition and you can win. So ஒரு Guinness record, so ஒரு யோகால பெஸ்டா, சிங்கிங்ல பெஸ்டா, you should come up. This should be your achievement. Okay, children. So you should get a monetary benefit. You should get a amount that is, or you should get a good name. You should achieve it in any field. Okay, that is the last point. And I told you about the NEET exam and engineering exam. So these coaching classes we are giving in our school. Okay, and next, language and skill development classes for parents. So parents also developing through our schools. So not only improving yourself, we are also developing our parents also. And next, National Children Science Congress. So what is National Children Science Congress? You know about this, ma'am? Anyone has participated in that? So இது என்ன அப்படின்னா ஒரு சயின்ஸ் எக்ஸிபிஷன். ஸோ சிம்பிள் எக்ஸிபிஷன் தான் சில்ட்ரன்ஸ். ஸோ சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் வந்து சயின்ஸ் எக்ஸிபிட் பண்றதுக்காக ஒன்று நடத்துறது. ஸோ இன் திஸ் மோர் children should participate in that competition. So National Children Science Congress அப்படின்றது simple science experiments நடக்கிற ஒரு exhibitions nationally. Okay, so in that our school student, you people have to get more prizes and we need more participation in this year. Okay, is this clear, children? So my suggestions on first activity, what is that? I told you about the scholarship which is provided by our school management. Now, sonna mari, so if you are getting 95% in all the exams, so ella exams la inda irukonu oodala neenga vittinga appadina you cannot get 95% of mark. So regulation, so internal marks ungalku 95% edukka theva. So internal marks is always based on your performance in class, response in class, your homework submission, your regularity, your discipline, how we are behaving. So video on panlena, I'll reduce your marks. You cannot get scholarship. You may think that we are cheating our teacher, but you are going to suffer. Okay. And next is NTSE. So this exam is for scholarship. You have to train with the help of our teachers. And next, you are going to participate in every competitions and you are going to get earn cash award or a name award. And in our school, we are starting coaching classes for NET, GCA, everything. That is computer. For everything, we are going to give coaching class. And next, language and skill development classes for parents. So parents or video make பண்ற அளவுக்கு technology சொல்லி கொடுத்து we are going to develop the parent skill. Then only if the parents are updated, you are also can be updated and you can also increase your language skill in your home. Okay, so insist your mother to join spoken English classes. Okay, children. And next, National Children Science Congress. So National Children Science Congress is what? It's an exhibition which is held nationally. So in that, more students have to participate in this exhibition and won prizes. Okay. So these are all my suggestions I have told you. And now what you are going to do with that A4 sheet. So you are having A4 sheet, please show me, ma. Ellarume A4 sheet vachirkingla, please show me. Show your color pens. Okay. So in that, so borders வந்து உங்க creative wise என்ன வேணா நீங்க decorate பண்ணிக்கலாம். It is up to your creativity. Okay. So அதுல content என்ன எழுத போறீங்க அப்படின்னா your achievement. So I'm going to, what you are going to achieve? I am going to achieve 95 marks in all subjects and get scholarship from my school. So I'm going to be a state level winner. Okay, so I'm going to achieve in NTSE exams. I'm going to get monetary benefits. I'm going to get cash awards. So I'm going to throw out NEET exam. So I'm going to participate in National Science Congress. So all the points you want to write it, you should write it in that paper. And you should decorate it. Borders வந்து நீங்க decorate பண்ணிடலாம். That is உங்களோட creativity use பண்ணி நீங்க எப்படி decorate பண்றீங்களோ one sheet is enough. So நீங்க அந்த color papers வச்சு decorate பண்ணாலும் okay. So what you are going to do is you have to paste it in your house. So நீங்க என்ன achieve பண்ண போறீங்க in this year? What you are going to achieve?
Ma'am, I want to write all these, ma'am.
All these things, what you are going to achieve. So whenever you have to paste it in your wall of your house. உங்க வீட்ல paste பண்ணிடுங்க படிக்கிற இடத்துல. So if you see that, you get boosted, and I want everyone to achieve all these goals. Okay, so எல்லா goals may everyone should achieve it. Okay, so I'll see you children when teachers are coming to your house for house visit. They will see that. Okay, so borders வந்து நல்லா டெக்கரேட் பண்ணிட்டு கண்டென்ட் வந்துட்டு நீங்க இதுல என்ன அச்சீவ் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அதை எழுதி உங்க செவத்துல பேஸ்ட் பண்ணிடுங்க. Okay, will you all do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you all achieve this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Only
ma'am.
one yes, ma'am. Others, you should take effort and win all. School is providing you everything, children. Every opportunities they are providing you. It is your duty to make use of that. Okay? Okay, children? So, எப்ப எழுதி பேஸ்ட் பண்ணலாம்? Tell me, talk with me first, then you can talk with your parents. Can you write it now and show it to me? So what are all the achievements you are going to do in this year? Write it fast. Switch on your camera and show your faces, ma. Okay. So have you all got your books, ma? How many of you got your books? Can I know that?
I got, ma'am. Ma'am, I will be IPS.
So please get your books. We are going to start the classes. Okay. So get your books fastly and get ready for your classes. So will you all do this, children? Next class, can I see you? This paper. So இதை எழுதி, so நீங்க ஹால்ல எல்லாம் ஒட்டி விளம்பரம் பண்ண வேணாம். So where you are studying, so அங்க எழுதி வச்சுட்டு பாக்க. What you are going to in the next year, at the end of your year, you should see that I have achieved this or not. Okay? Okay. Okay, fine, children. So when I coming to the next class, I'll see all your papers. First, I'll make you to show the paper. Okay? Your achievements. Okay. So now who is ready to tell what are all the points I told you? நான் இது வரைக்கும் நிறைய சொன்னேன். So what do you have to achieve in this year? Who is ready to tell that simply? Simple நான் சொல்லுவேன்றவங்க யாரு? Is anyone is here? Vibin, can you tell me, ma? Vibin, I'll unmute you. Just straight out. So நான் சொன்னது உங்களுக்கு எப்படி புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்ல, அதுக்காக தான். Vibin, unmute yourself, ma.
Ma'am, I am telling.
Okay, Logosabari, you are ready. Can you tell me? Yes, you can tell me. Tell.
Ma'am, you tell exams and NCERT exams and engineering, doctor.
Okay, what doctor?
Ma'am, நீங்க நீட் எக்ஸாம்லாம் பத்தி சொன்னீங்க மேம்.
நீட் எக்ஸாம் பத்தி என்ன சொன்னேன்?
மேம் நம்ம இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் குடுக்குறாங்க. நீங்க வந்து 95 மார்க் மேல எல்லா எக்ஸாம்லயும் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம ஸ்கூல்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் குடுக்குறாங்கன்னு சொன்னீங்க மேம்.
90 எல்லாத்துலயும் 95 மார்க்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டு அட் லாஸ்ட் ஒன் எக்ஸாம் ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் எக்ஸாம் வைப்பாங்க. சோ அதுலயும் 95% எடுத்தீங்கன்னா you will get concession fees. Okay?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So keep it in your mind and learn, children. So regular class வாங்க, attend பண்ணுங்க. So please be helpful for your parents. Okay, your parents are struggling to bring up you. You should be very helpful to your parents. Okay, children? Okay. So we can have so keep it in your mind and learn it. Okay, children? Okay. So next we'll come back to the subjects. So what subject I am going to handle? What did I told you? So enna subject ma'am ungalku handle panna poren sonne?
Ma'am,
What subject? Physics. Okay. So first வந்துட்டு EVS அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு மேம் தான் வந்திருக்காங்க. ஒரே ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட் தான் நீங்க படிச்சிருக்கீங்க. So in grade 6 you are going to learn physics, chemistry and biology. Okay, you'll be writing for physics, you'll be writing for 25 marks. So all those things I'll tell you in the coming classes. Okay, so 6 is a basic for everything, children. So now itself you should achieve more things, start achieving. Okay. Okay, fine. So any doubts you are having, you want to ask me anything? Just tell me. If you are having any doubts or you want to ask me anything, you can ask me surely. No doubts for no one. Okay, children. Okay, fine. Thank you for everyone. So I have a good time with you. So in next class, we are going to start our class. So physics. So just have a idea about the lessons. Okay, we'll start our subject lesson on the next class. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you for everyone. Bye bye. And when I'm seeing you in the next class, so next academic year, you should be achiever. Okay. So write it in a paper and paste it in your wall. Thank you, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.